Michael Brown, Solar Ray. It is, I have to look at my watch to know what day it is, of course, because I don't have any memory anymore. It is March 25th, 2020, middle of the whole coronavirus infection pandemic type deal. Orange County, Florida has just issued a shutdown effective tomorrow, which would be Thursday the 26th at 11 p.m., affecting all non-essential businesses and personnel. Fortunately, we're essential. Fortunately, meaning that my employees and myself, we can all come to work and we can continue to service our customers and stay in business and continue to help support the community while everybody else is kind of limited and restricted from doing so, and I'm sorry for that. So, part of that whole issue is also going to be how are we going to deal with our customers, both for service and possibly people inquiring, because people are going to be sitting at home, not a whole lot to do, but you're still going to be using electricity, you're still going to be looking at social media, you're still going to be needing some solutions for your power sources and also for solar systems that you might have, right? So here what we're going to instill is a method in which you can communicate with us and we can communicate with you not only by calling us at the office. Of course, service calls are just normally the way we would do them, and you can just call in. But if you're a new customer or you have special inquiries or you're looking for service to be scheduled or do something, and you're not an existing customer with us and you want to meet face to face, so to speak, or even if you're interested in purchasing a system, you can still do so through some of the social media gateways, right? So like we're talking about WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom. We are going to have all of these apps available to the customers, and we'll be posting the links below so that you can contact us directly here at the office. However, actually what we're going to be doing is asking for you, when you make contact with the office, either by form mail or by calling us or email, is to give us your preferred method of contact via one of these methods, so that our representatives can use whatever your preferred method is to make contact with you and ask the pertinent questions and give you the information that you're looking for. So I have a lot of good people working for me, and so one of them called me this morning, said because of this, and a lot of people are going to be out of work. A lot of people are already not working as much or not working or limited. So part of a solar system is, it's not free, right? So we understand that. But the suggestion was if we could devise a method in which to make it no payments for the first 10 months, okay? And so we are going to work that into our budget so that we can figure out what we have to do in order to do that. That would be with financing, of course. The cash customers are still cash customers. Good for you. Not everybody is able to do that. We understand that. And so if you are in a financing situation, we are going to devise a method in which case you will not have to make a payment for 10 months. Okay, and what that is going to have to be, because you're still going to be signing up for a loan, is you'll still get those bills and stuff like that from the loan company, but it'll be in the form of a rebate equal to 10 months of payments. So that'll give you some relief, both from your power bill and also from the utility, both from the utility payment and also for any loan payments, okay? And that's not gonna be a balloon, okay? It's just gonna be the normal payment, what it would be over the term of the loan. And the programs that we use are 2.99%, and it's 20 years, Vladimir? 20 years. So we use the absolute best financing that we can get for our customers. There's no hidden agendas with them or anything else. They're just a very good finance company, and they'll help you with your mortgage too, or any refinancing things in the future. It's a very good financing company. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna fund you back that money so that you're gonna be basically free electricity for 10 months, okay? So, or for the amount of what it is that you decide to put on your roof, or what you can put on your roof versus what your consumption is. So we're gonna get that in place, okay? And that'll be from contracts signed from now forward. Whether we publish this, I think we're going to publish this today, so this will be effective immediately as soon as you see this, right? So contract signed from the 26th, because it'll be the afternoon, and I don't imagine anybody's going to want any salespeople at your houses or anything after today. Not for a while anyways. So that's really what we're looking at today, is to let you know that we're accommodating both our existing customers and possible customers in the future. We're realizing and instituting methods that are absolutely no physical contact, no physical proximity even, right? We don't even have to be in the same room. And our method of installation, what have you, only requires any kind of contact with the customer if the customer comes out of their house. And in fact, even if we are installing at your house and there's any kind of concern while our employees are there, you can always call the office. There's always personnel at the office, and we don't subcontract, so there's no middleman. We don't have to go and dice around with anybody. So we're still in business, we're still serving our customers, we're still able to take on and service new customers, and in light of the situation, probably for the next 2 weeks, until people get back to work, we're gonna offer that no payment for 10 months, because it's gonna take some catch-up. After everybody goes back to work, it's still gonna take some catch-up, right? So we're definitely going to be doing that program through 2 weeks, maybe further, depending on what the situation looks like. Okay, Michael Brown, that's my message for today. We're going to have other videos, but I don't want to make it too long. I think it's already too long. All right, thank you very much. Stay safe. Don't worry. Stay active. Get out, not to mingle with your friends or to drive around, but to walk around your house or go out in your yard. Enjoy the sun, enjoy the weather. Don't hole yourself up in the house and just vegetate. Stay active, keep your mind active, and we're on social media, but try to pick up a book, try to, challenge yourself in other ways. Keep your mind active and your body active. That's my suggestion. Michael Brown, Solar Ray. Stay safe.